Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, confirm you have a Google account, WordPress admin rights, and SSL enabled so analytics works reliably. Next, create a Google Analytics 4 property and copy the measurement ID that looks like GXXXX. Once done, open WordPress and choose the one plugin or the theme header file method to inject the tag. Make sure to backup header. PHP before editing, this avoids breaking the site. You'll use that measurement ID in the next steps, so keep it ready. Now add the tag, install a lightweight header injection plugin or edit header. PHP and paste the G tag. JS snippet, replacing the placeholder with your measurement ID. After saving, clear any caching plugins and CDN caches so the change propagates instantly. Then, open Google Analytics and go to real-time. You should see your visit. If not, use the Tag Assistant Chrome extension to inspect network calls and confirm the G tag. JS is firing correctly. Finish by enabling enhanced measurement inside GA4 and linking Search Console so you get organic metrics. Make sure to exclude internal traffic by IP and set data retention to at least 14 months for useful trends. If data stops or never appears, troubleshoot. Verify SSL is active, confirm no security plugin blocks G tag. JS, and recheck the measurement ID for typos. If you edit header, PHP, restore your backup. Otherwise, disable the latest plugin change and retest. This single check fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.